Hey, is this Sasha?
Yes, it is.
Hi, this is Stefan Dietz, and
Hi
I
there.
work for a local bladesmith, and I'm selling knives. And I've been in contact with some people saying you would be interested.
Yeah, possibly. How much do they go for on average?
Well, it depends. I can customize them to you.
Well, yeah, I'd be really interested. I can't talk right now, but I could save your number to my phone and I'll call you back tomorrow. Maybe would that work?
Yeah. Do you want me to give you my name?
Yeah, that would be great.
So Jay. I'm gonna give you my full Swedish name. That's fine.
All right. Sounds good. Sorry about that. All right, ready.
J.
All right.
E.
All right.
E.
Yep.
E. M.
Yep.
A.
All right.
H. And then Stipend is S.
It's what?
S.
S. All right.
T.
All right.
I. F.
Yeah.
E. N.
Yeah.
Dietz.
All right.
Dietz is die.
All right.
With ZT.
Sorry, what?
ZT.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, feel free to shoot me a text anytime, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Alrighty, sounds good. Thanks for contacting me about that.
Yeah, have a good night.
You too.
Mm-hmm.